Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chats, where every conversation helps you learn. I am Emma.
And I am Alex. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Alex?
I am very good, thank you, Emma. I have my big cup of coffee, and I am ready to learn. How are you today?
I am wonderful, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. I sat in my garden and read a whole book. But before we begin, let's tell everyone what we are talking about today.
Yes, today is a very special episode.
Today, we're going to give you a clear roadmap. We'll walk you through the 5 steps to fluency in the exact order you should follow them. And at the end, we'll also do 6 shadowing practices together.
Yes, and make sure you stick around until the end, because step 5 is the most important one. It's the ultimate secret to speaking naturally, without translating everything in your head. And trust me, the shadowing practice at the end is incredibly helpful too.
You definitely do not want to miss it. It is the highest level of language learning. So Alex, why did we choose this topic today?
Well, you know I am an English teacher at a school. I teach English to my students every day. But yesterday, a friend asked me, Alex, how do I actually become fluent in a new language? What should I do first and second and third?
That is a great question. What did you tell him?
I said, listen to daily English chats. But then he asked, and then what? And I froze. Even though I am a teacher, and even though I am trying to learn Spanish right now, I did not know the exact order. What comes first? What is the path?
The path. I love that word. Today, I will give you the path. 5 steps from beginner to fluent in order. Each step builds on the one before it.
Builds on. What does that mean?
Think about building a house. You cannot build the roof first. You need a strong foundation first. The foundation is the strong bottom of the house. First the foundation, then the walls, then the roof.
Ah, a strong foundation. I understand. Very important. So what is our foundation? What is step 1?
Step 1. Fill your brain.
Fill my brain? With what? Coffee?
No, with English. Step 1 is all about input. I-N-P-U-T.
Ah, input. We talked about this in our episode called The Power of Listening. Input is what goes into your brain, and output is what comes out.
Exactly. I'm glad you remembered. And for everyone listening, we will put the link to that episode in the description below. If you haven't watched it yet, definitely check it out to learn exactly how to practice your listening properly.
Yes, it is a great episode.
It really is. So input means English going into your brain through your ears and your eyes, listening and reading. At the beginning, your job is simple. Listen to English every day. Podcast, songs, simple videos. Just listen.
But Emma, what if I do not understand everything?
That is okay. You do not need to understand everything. Your brain is like a sponge. S-P-O-N-G-E. A sponge absorbs water. Your brain absorbs English. Even the words you do not understand, your brain is learning the sounds and the rhythm.
My brain is a sponge. I like that picture.
And the more you listen, the more your brain absorbs. 10 minutes a day. 15 minutes. While you walk, while you cook, while you ride the bus.
So step 1 is not about speaking.
No, not yet. Step 1 is about building that foundation. You cannot pour from an empty cup. First, fill the cup.
Fill the cup first, then pour later. I like that. I tried to speak Spanish on day 1 and it did not go well.
Exactly. Many people try to speak before they listen enough, and they get frustrated. So step 1, fill your brain. Be a sponge.
Perfect. What is step 2?
Step 2, copy what you hear.
Copy? Like a copy machine?
Yes, like a copy machine. In step 1, you listened. Now, in step 2, you repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing.
Ah, shadowing. Listen, then repeat.
Yes, and it is so important that it gets its own step. You listen to a sentence, then you repeat the exact same sentence. You copy the words, the speed, and the rhythm.
Why is the step so powerful?
Because when you shadow, you train your mouth. Your mouth learns how to make English sounds. Your tongue learns where to go. Your lips learn how to move.
Wow, I never thought about my tongue and lips.
Most people do not. But speaking is physical. Like playing the piano, your fingers need practice. When speaking English, your mouth needs practice.
So step 2 is mouth training. And I don't need a partner for this, right?
No partner needed, just a podcast or a video. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat. Let me hear you try right now, Alex. I will say a sentence and you shadow me.
Okay, I am ready.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Good. Now try to match my rhythm exactly. I would like a cup of coffee, please.
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Much better. Did you feel the difference?
Yes. Some words are stronger, some words are softer.
That is English rhythm, and shadowing teaches your mouth to feel it. So step 2, copy what you hear. Train your mouth.
Got it. Okay, what is step 3?
Step 3, talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I am crazy.
Maybe, but it works. Step 3 is about practicing alone, without a partner, without pressure, just you and your voice.
But what do I say?
Narrate your life. Narrate. Narrate means to describe what you are doing, like a movie narrator. You are in the kitchen. Say, I am making breakfast. I am pouring coffee.
Alex is walking to the kitchen. Alex opens the fridge. Alex realizes he forgot to buy milk.
Exactly like that. It sounds funny, but it is very effective because you practice real sentences about real life.
And nobody can judge me. No mistakes to be embarrassed about.
That is the beauty of step 3. Zero pressure. You can make mistakes, stop, and try again. Nobody is listening.
Well, my dog Max is listening.
Max does not judge your grammar, Alex.
That is true. Max only judges me if I don't give him a snack.
Okay, you can also do a daily review. Before bed, say 3 sentences about your day. Today, I went to work. I had lunch. I watched a movie.
That makes so much sense. Brain and mouth working together. Okay, 3 steps so far. What is step 4?
Now you are ready for the big one. Step 4, talk to others.
Talk to others? Real people?
Real people. In steps 1, 2, and 3, you practiced alone. Now it is time to use your English with someone else.
But that's scary, Emma. What if I make mistakes? What if they don't understand me? Like when I froze at the Mexican cafe.
I understand. It is scary. But here is the truth. You will make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes are how you learn. Every mistake makes your English stronger.
Every mistake makes me stronger. I will try to remember that.
Start small. Talk to a friend who speaks English, or find a language partner online, someone who is also learning.
A language partner. Someone like me. That sounds less scary.
Yes. You help them with your language. They help you with English. And here is a secret, Alex. Most people are very kind. If they see you are trying, they will help you. They will smile.
Really? They won't laugh at me?
No. Most people respect someone who is learning a new language. It is brave. So, step 4, talk to others. Start small, be brave.
Start small, be brave. Okay. Now, we're at the end. The secret step.
Yes, the most important step. The highest level of fluency. Step 5, think in English.
Think in English, not speak. Think.
Yes, when you think in English, you do not translate from your native language anymore. English comes directly.
Oh, this is my biggest problem. Right now, with my Spanish, I do my 4-step translation in my head. I think in English first, translate it, check the grammar, and then speak. It is so slow.
Yes, and that takes so much time. Fluency means you skip the translation. English comes straight from your brain to your mouth. 1 step, not 3.
That sounds amazing, but how do I get there?
By doing steps 1 through 4 again and again. Over time, your brain will naturally stop translating, but you can actually speed up the process. First, start labeling things in English. Look around your room and think, desk, coffee, dog, window. Don't think of the word in your own language first. Go straight to the English word. Train your brain to connect the object directly to the English word.
Desk, coffee, dog. Okay, I can do that.
Second, when something happens, react in English. You drop your keys. Instead of saying, oh no, in your language, say, oh no, in English. You see a cute dog. Say, so cute, in English.
React in English. I like that.
And third, dream in English.
Dream in English? I cannot control my dreams, Emma.
You cannot. But many language learners say one day they had a dream in English, and that's when they knew, I am becoming fluent.
That is beautiful. I want to dream in Spanish someday.
You will. You wake up and think, wait, I was speaking a new language in my dream. It is a wonderful moment. So step 5, think in English. Stop translating.
Let English live in my brain. I love it.
Okay, let's put all 5 steps together. The whole roadmap to fluency.
Step 1. Fill your brain. Build your foundation. Listen to English every day. Be a sponge.
Step 2. Copy what you hear. Shadowing. Train your mouth.
Step 3. Talk to yourself. Narrate your life. Practice alone.
Step 4. Talk to others. Start small. Be brave.
And the ultimate secret? Step 5. Think in English. Stop translating and let it flow.
Perfect. You remembered everything. And remember, everyone, these steps are not fast. They take weeks, months, maybe years. But every day you move forward.
One small step every day. I can do that.
You are already on this path. Be proud of where you are today. Now, before we finish today, let's actually practice step 2. Let's do some shadowing practice right now.
Yes, shadowing practice. Listen and repeat.
I will say a sentence. Alex, you repeat after me. And everyone listening, repeat out loud after Alex. Train your mouth.
I am ready. My mouth is ready.
Sentence number 1. I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
Sentence number 2. I am training my mouth to speak.
I am training my mouth to speak.
Sentence number 3. I can talk to myself in English.
I can talk to myself in English.
Sentence number 4. Making mistakes is how I learn.
Making mistakes is how I learn.
Sentence number 5. I am learning to think in English.
I am learning to think in English.
Sentence number 6. I take one small step every day.
I take one small step every day.
Excellent job, Alex. An excellent job to everyone practicing at home.
That felt great. My brain and my mouth are working together.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Chats.
Yes, thank you, everyone. This was so helpful. Please subscribe to the podcast and give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
Now we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, which step are you on right now? Step 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
We would love to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.